Right to our top story at 9. Of course, it's fireworks, and they're filling the air on this night of America's birthday on both sides of the bay. First, let's head over to Daphne for a live look at their spectacular show.
Happy Independence Day, Byron. And to all of our viewers, we're live in Daphne right now. This is Lacey Beasley, and we're having a great time in Daphne. They just turned down the stadium lights. The show just started, and it is beautiful. Lots of bright colors. We've seen lots of gold like you saw just right now. There's a lot of families out here. A lot of kids have been running around prior to the show starting. Some have been having sparklers in their hands, letting off smoke bombs and little firecrackers. The energy is great here tonight in Daphne. We'll have more coming up for y'all in the 10 o'clock newscast. Byron.